Thank you very much for question from Mr. Rivaldo, and thank you for your answer, Ms. Deng Suhu, and also for your presentation. Give applause to Ms. Cheng Suhu. And now the last presentation by myself. Yeah. Can you see this uh, slide clearly?
Yes, Miss. It's
Okay.
clearly.
Okay, thank you very much. This is my presentation. It is connected to my research project this year. This is in my place called DPPSPP Research Project. And this title of my presentation, Study of Fluid Properties and Functional Group Relation in synthesis of zinc oxide CNS from expired drink and food biomass using microwave. This is my research project this year. I divide two branch, lab research by myself, and I conducted totally at home, and secondary data research by my student Farhan Maulana Aziz. This is a background of my research. I am interested to the some flour for the cooking of food such as wheat, tapioca, corn, and also this rengginang kind of food in Indonesia from the glutinous rice. All this flour is rich of carbohydrate, especially amylosa and amylopectin in various amount. And in this research, I also concerned to the polar. This is pet feed flour. It is also rich of amylosa and amylopectin. And I also use drink flour, including coffee and green tea, and I get that the main content of coffee including starch, hemicellulose, cellulose, oil, and protein. And this is the structure. And green tea, it has main content including catechin, protein, and fiber. And this is the structure of catechin. Uh, I think all those substances contain the atomic of carbon, and they are potential for the precursor of the carbon. Uh, there are various synthesis method of zinc oxide CNS composite, including wet method and dry method. Wet method such as precipitation and calcination and hydrothermal. I concern in microwave because it is a dry method and also need the short uh, time for synthesis. And I concern zinc oxide uh, because it is useful for agriculture application. It is non-toxic. It can be used for fertilizer, and also it is a catalyst for degradation of pesticide. uh, For application of agriculture, this product, the composite zinc oxide carbon CNS, it should be conditionized as the dispersion system. Why? Because by the form of dispersion, it can be spread easily by the farmer in agriculture field. Besides that, this dispersion system can be used for characterization of the product, and by dispersion system we can classify this product it is nanomaterial or not, because there is classification based on the particle size for a dispersion system. Besides that, we can easily check for based on the appearance and also on the settling of a particle. It is match with the small funding such as DPP SPP research in my place. And also we can determine the concentration by TDS meter, because TDS is about related with the particle size less than 2000 nanometer. This is purpose of my research is to study influence of floor type on dispersion concentration and dispersion stability, and also influence of mixing time on dispersion stability, and also relation of composite FTIR spectra with dispersion properties of zinc oxide CNS composite. This is method of my research. I totally work at home. This is the mixture of fluor and activator of zinc chloride, and it is pyrolyzed by microwave. And then it is wake in my living room, and then it is dispersed in my family room, and then it evaporated in my kitchen and dry in backyard, and then it documented by photograph by my son. And this is transformation of material by pyrolysis documented by photograph. I get there is changing of color from precursor to the product of pyrolysis. This is product before conditionized to the nano material by mixing by using the mixture. This is result of dispersion after mixing for 1 hour, and based on the appearance all look black and opaque, so it indicates it contains the quartz dispersions. But after measured by TDS meter, I get a different number, and the highest it is connected to the precursor of coffee. Yeah, this is dispersion of zinc oxide CNS from coffee. This is the highest, and the lowest from green tea. And this is FTIR spectra of zinc oxide composite for coffee and green tea. I try to compare, and I get that the from coffee it show more CO and also MO. Then spectrum of the composite from green tea. So I get the conclusion that it more CO and MO in the product, and it gives the stronger attraction in the dispersion with the dipoles of molecules of water, so it improve the concentration. And this is chemical analysis of the composite by XRF from coffee versus green tea. And I get that based on this XRF data, that composite from coffee has the comparable zinc, and then composite of from green tea, but more the other mineral. So I get the conclusion that this result of chemical analysis support FTIR spectra. This especially connected to the spectrum of composite from cafe. So this is the supporter, yeah. Uh, if because it contain more mineral, so it means it has more activator for pyrolysis, so it has more product of carbon and more concentration of dispersion. And this is the other supporter for FTIR spectra. It is X-ray diffractogram of zinc oxide CNS composite from cafe versus green tea. And I get that the from cafe it has more peak of the factogram. So it indicate more mineral. So it match with the FTIR spectrum of composite from a cafe. So it can reasonable. And this is the second study about dispersion stability. I make the observation for each hour during 3 hours, and I get that the composite from polar give the dispersion more stable than from wet floor. It is with the star. It is and this. And this is FTIR spectra on the composite from polar versus wet floor. I get that from polar it has more CO and MO, so it gives a stronger attraction again with the molecule of water, so it gives the more stability to the dispersion. And this is X-ray diffractogram of zinc oxide CNS composite from polar versus wet floor. And I get again that from polar more peaks of diffractogram. So it indicate more mineral. So it support FTIR spectrum of a composite from polar. And this is study about the mixing time by mixer 2 hour versus 1 hour. I get that based on the appearance it is look same black, and based on the measurement of TDS it is only a little difference, and based on the stability of dispersion it is almost same, so it no significant difference. And this is FTIR spectra. No significant difference about the composite which get by dispersion in dispersing time 2 hour and 1 hour. So my conclusion, type of fluor affected the dispersion concentration. Type of fluor affected the dispersion stability. Mixing time gave no significant influence on concentration and stability of the dispersion. And this is the most important, there is a relation between pattern of composite FTIR spectra with dispersion properties, including concentration and stability of dispersion. Thank you for your attention. Any question for me connected to my research? I see a question from Mr. Nanang. The question, uh, what is difficult part in synthesis process of this nanomaterial? And second question, should be improved. What should be improved for the future application? What a difficult part? I think I don't find the difficult part, but I need more characterization uh, to improve, to give the more information about my product. Uh, and what to improve for the future application? Yes, I have the focus application for agriculture, and for the other my research I have had make the application, but for the TPP SPP I only doing only without application, and I have to improve my uh, product, maybe by I need the make various parameter, make variation for parameter to improve the dispersion stability. Dispersion stability is very important because I think the farmer need time from the port to the apa ya, in the tabung bahasa Inggrisnya apa, Viv? In the
Tube. Tube.
cup, masa cup itu kalau di sawah, fill to the tube and then to spread in the agriculture field. I think like that. So the dispersion uh, stability is very important. I think like that. Beside that, apa lagi ya? Yes, I think like that. Maybe I need the uh, study more about maybe the effect and the various the oxide, metal oxide, uh, various metal oxide, and also the other parameter of synthesis. I think like that, Mr. Nanang. Is it
Thank you
enough?
very much for
Okay, thank you
the
very much.
answer.
Sorry, my English.